what's up guys? It's your girl Samantha Cottle here and I am with my friends. No choreo, no stress. Let's just groove, party, and have a good time. Y'all ready? Let's get started. Woo! All right, here we go guys. We're gonna keep it hype. We're gonna break everything down. All you have to do is have fun. Here we go. 6, 7, we're gonna jump to the right. Jump, cross, hey, jump, cross, jump, cross, jump, cross. Let's speed it up. Hey, good. I suggest you guys learn everything clean and then try and put some sauce onto it, yeah? We'll go slow, slow. Slow. Hey, I'm just rocking. I'm sitting in that right leg. Good, let's go left side. Here we go, left side, left. Yeah. It should be a little wavy. We're gonna sneeze it. Yeah, so we're here, we're going down to the right. I'm going down with my hand. Right arm goes down. Good. Left arm goes down. Let's keep it slow. I'm twisting this way, and I'm twisting to my diagonal. And I'm picking this foot up. Let's go fast, double time. Let's go, try it out, you got it. Yay! Ooh, ooh. Ooh, good, let's keep it rocking. Good, that's something you can work on at home, on the street, whatever you feel it. Let's go. Boom, hey. Good. I'm going right arm. Good. Good, let's go. Hop, hop, clap. Hey, it's a party, don't forget. Good. Let's take it down. Hey. Good. Hey. Let's take it fast. Woo! Yeah, I'm just rocking right, left to left. Right, left, right, left. Let's bring these arms up. Woo! Good, let's go Bay Area. Whoa. Double. Hey, whoa. Double. Down. Double. Down. Double. Good, let's hold it here. Woo. Push those arms down. Down, down, down. We're gonna go around. Oh, this is a good way to finish. You guys are hot, I know you're sweating. Let's get ready for the next song. You guys ready? Yeah! Woo! All right, here we go, guys. We're gonna focus up on adding some swag. Now that we're warm, we're nice and hot, we're a little sweaty at this party, we're gonna focus on adding some sauce. It's gonna be nice and slow. Here we go, let's go. We are at a party. Aren't we always at a party? So we're gonna step on this right foot and push away. I'm going step, push. Yeah, step, push. Good. Step, push. Let's go slow again. Really lean forward, back. Hey, forward, back. We're gonna speed it up. You ready again? Let's go. Double time. G. Woo! Yeah. 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 Good. We're gonna go T, T, clap. And a down, down, clap. Hey, and a down, down, clap. And a down, down, clap. Switch it up. Let's go left. Yeah. It should go feel down. Push away. Down, down. Hey, let's add some more sauce to it. Right side, let's go. Yeah. Woo! You see how that just leveled it up? We just switched some more energy, more bend, more plie. Left side, let's go. Come on. Who are you talking to? What? Good. We're gonna cross this leg over. We're gonna kick, E, right. Kick, E, left. Kick, E, right foot. Kick, E, left. So when I kick this foot out, it's flexed. And then I cross that leg over. Keep it on the way. T, tap. Let's speed it up. Let's go. Double time. Woo! Really use that plie there. Good. One more time. Add some sauce. Yeah. Feel free to add some hands. Good. Good. We're gonna take it back. We're gonna go step touch. Now with grooves, if you're at a party, you don't have to go cray cray the whole time. You don't have to go 100%. You can keep it right here. And you can make this cute, right? Add some sauce. Switch it up. Hop. Good. Let's take it back. We're gonna go right, left, whoa. Left, right, whoa. Right, left, hop. Left, right. So I'm kind of like going back, back, rebound. Back, back, rebound. Woo! Good. Good. Speaking of that, let's go. Ooh, ooh, hey. Ooh, 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 hey. All right, left. Let's go left, left, right. Again, here we go. All right. Ooh. Let's watch some music. Two. Good. Good. Let's go. Take it back. So I'm going kick it out back. Kick it out back. Good. This should feel heavy. Good. Let's rock. Finish it out. Good. I'll meet you guys on the next song. It's a different vibe, but keep this energy. Keep the energy. All right, guys, we're gonna slow things down a little bit. We're gonna feel nice and heavy into the earth. This time I want you to think about your feminine or masculine vibe. So it's totally up to you what you wanna do, but we're gonna throw some sauce on here and kind of just really sit and feel feminine or masculine in all of these movements. But also my assistants are gonna be helping me with picking the groove. So I'm gonna point to them and you're gonna follow them and they're gonna pick the groove, yeah? Ashlyn, Haley, Anthony, Jess. Are you guys ready? Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Woo! Oh, we're gonna start with something nice, something spicy, yeah. And it's so easy. It's just the right foot. We're gonna go down, down, yeah. If you want a feminine vibe, I would just lift that hip. Ooh, ooh. So I'm slightly turning it in and then setting it down to the ground. Now Ashlyn's gonna pick the next groove. Here we go, she's decided 6, 7, what you gonna do? Hey, wow, I love it. She's bringing it in, yes. There's so much you could do here, guys. But the most important thing is that you're in this plie. Yes, you're bending. Now Haley's gonna give us her sauce. 5, 6, 7, what you gonna do? Oh, good. So she's doing a very feminine version. We're gonna keep this going, but I'm gonna show you a little masculine version. Whoa, it's the same movement. Anthony, what you gonna do? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yes. Wow. Oh, you wanna switch it up? Let's go. Let's go right, 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 right. Let's go left. Good, let's live here for a minute. So I'm turning that knee in, good. You ready, Jess? Give it to him. What you gonna do? Hey, she's going down. Feel free to switch up the arms here. This is nice and easy, yeah. Rock, rock, stay. Rock, rock, stay. Good. Woo! We're gonna live here one more time. Let's just take it lower. Hey, yes. Good, let's take it high, high. Good, good. You guys ready for the spicy sauce? Circle, circle, jump, circle, circle, jump, circle, circle. So every time my hip's going to the right, and we're doing that finger, because we're on an island, it's nice and breezy. Ashlyn, you ready? 5, 6, 7, what you gonna do? Yeah! We're rocking. Rock, rock. Good, the arms are going straight bend. Straight bend. The feet are picking up every time. Haley, ready? 5, 6, 7, let's go. Woo! She said, yes. That's my dance granddaughter, y'all. She is known for her smoothness, her steez, no pun intended. All the sauce. Anthony, you ready? Let's go. Give it to him. Hey. Yeah. Nice and strong here. Really focus on the arms getting straight. bend, straight. Yes. Body roll, body roll. Good. We can even take this to the side. Let's take it to the side. Let's turn it out. We go right. Hey. Same groove, different vibe. Ooh. Finish it out. Finish it out. Last one. Good, guys. Woo. Good job, y'all. They got some sauce, right? Stay tuned. Let's keep it going. All right, guys, we're going to slow things down. We're going to get oozy and groovy and with our texture. So everything we do here, I really want you to see how far you can push your body and take your time on all the body rolls and things. It should feel a little spicy. Let's go. Let's get it started. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It should feel like you are on stage and this is your own performance and you're just doing your own thing, yeah? So we're gonna start with a nice little walk forward on our right foot, just right foot, here we go, right, ooh, left. I know it's slow, but there's so much you can do here. Let's take it back, right foot goes back, back. Good, I know it's so simple, it's just a walk, but think of all the things you could do here. Let's go, right? You can make this feminine, you can make this masculine. Ooh, try and change it up on yourself. Let's go back, back, good, back, back, good. Let's switch it up, we're gonna go open, ooh, push, push, boom, hey. So I'm scooping down, I'm going down, open, down, open, down, open. Good. It should feel good, right? It's not that deep. It's not that deep. Unless you want to take it there. Let's go. Rock, rock, rock. Woo. Look, I'm not saying that you could take this home at nighttime, but you could take this home at nighttime. That's all I'm saying. Good. Let's go. Back, 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 back. So it's like a little chicken head, but it's kind of cuter. It's cute. In. Good. Now there's nothing like a good body roll, right? Pull. 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 Good. Let's switch it up. Left arm goes front. Step on that right foot. Right. You really want to lift your body tall. As soon as that foot goes down, the chest comes out. Down, the chest comes out. Woo. Good. Last time. Let's go left. Let's go left. Good. Good. Let's go. Rock, 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 rock. Good. I'm in a deep plie for a reason. You know why? Because we're going to take it down to the floor. I'm getting you ready. Here we go. You ready? We're going to take it down to the floor. We're going to go open and open and open and. So if you want to make this masculine, you could. Yes, watch Anthony. Woo! He's going, whoa, good. Let's take it down to the ground. Let's go down. Open, yeah. Good. It's so simple, right? But it could feel so cute. Good. Good, guys. See you in the next one. Let's go, let's go. All right, here we go, guys. Last song. We need all your energy, all your sauce, all your movement. We need it here in this last piece. This is the time to really spice it up and put you into the dance and the grooves, yeah? So we're going to rotate around. Me and my lovely friends are going to rotate around and show you how we put our special sauce on each movement, yeah? So follow along, but have fun. It's a party. Let's go. Let's take it. Woo! Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna take it to the right. We're gonna go slow, geet. So 2 times each side. Here we go, the music's gonna kick in. 5, 6, 7, double time. Let's go down. Hey, yeah, I'm going down, down. Here we go, change it up. 5, 6, 7, let's go, Jess. Woo. Yeah, still the same movement, but watch them in the front. They're gonna show you how they do their own thing. Switch it up. 5, 6. Woo! Hey! Come on, Anthony. He said levels. He said levels. He said choices. Let's go. Change. 5, 6, 7. Don't get tired now. This is the arm workout. Y'all didn't know we were working out. Let's go. Change it up, Ashley. What? Let's go. Give it to him. Whoa. 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 Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna go geek, 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 geek. Yeah. Let's go. Change it up. Hey, 5, 6. Right foot. Here we go. T, T. Go, Jazz. Go, Jazz. In the pink shorts. Let's go. 6, 7. Boom, boom. Yes. We love side changes. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Hey. Yeah. Don't get tired. Don't get tired. Change it up. 6, 7. Let's go. Boom, boom. And a boom, boom. Boom, boom. Yeah. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. And we're gonna go front, front, back, back, front, front. Ooh, front, front, back, back. Change it up. 6. Let's go. Front. There's so much you can do here, guys. Change it up. Switch it out. Here we go. Woo! Let's go. Hey. Whoa! You see that? You see that? We go right, left, right. Switch it up. Boom. Let's go. Right foot. Yeah! Dang, who are you looking for? What? Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Hey. Whoa! Woo! Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Hey, let's keep it here. Woo! Sometimes you just gotta hit him with the shoulder shrug. Shoulder shrug. Hold it out. Thank you guys so much for learning and grooving with us. I'll see you guys on the next one.